Crispy honey butter chicken bites. Crispy honey butter chicken bites. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 500 grams, 1 pound, boneless chicken thighs or breast, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and black pepper to taste, half cup cornstarch, half cup all-purpose flour, egg, oil for frying. For the honey butter glaze, 3 tablespoons, unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, optional for heat, 2 cloves garlic, minced. Here we go. Let's get started. From start to finish will take about 35 minutes. 1. Season the chicken. In a bowl, mix the chicken pieces with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. 2. Prepare the coating. Add the egg to the seasoned chicken and mix well. In a separate bowl, combine the all-purpose flour and cornstarch. Coat each chicken piece in the flour mixture. 3. Fry until crispy. Heat oil in a deep pan to 170°F. C. 340°F. Fry the coated chicken pieces in batches until golden brown and crispy, about 5 to 6 minutes per batch. Drain on a paper towel. 4. Make the glaze. In a non-stick pan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add minced garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Add honey, soy sauce, and chili flakes. Stir and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. 5. Glaze the chicken. Toss the crispy chicken into the pan with the glaze. Stir until every piece is coated in the glossy, flavorful sauce. Garnish with chopped green onions and toasted sesame seeds. Makes a great party appetizer or game night snack. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal